It's astonishing how much incredible technology is available now and will be in the near future. This year has shown us some of the coolest technology is becoming less of the stuff of sci-fi movies and government labs, and more items such as clean rooms and ultrasonic cleaners that are becoming readily available for us to use, and often at reasonable prices. Here's a sampling of the astonishing tech already available to us as well as what's on the horizon. Wearable tech, and not just VR headsets. Beyond the Internet of Things, there is a steady flow of wearable tech that has become more usable and comfortable and beginning to approach pricing where more consumers can consider. One new wearable item is the wearable breast pump from the company Willow. Quite simply, the device allows women to pump breast milk while still fully clothed and going on with their normal day. And yes, like Internet of Things devices, it tracks data for you, like how much milk has been pumped over a certain time period. Though the pump goes for $479, not exactly cheap, in the context of healthcare device costs, it's somewhat reasonable. More importantly, devices that allow women to seamlessly integrate some of the responsibilities of early motherhood, like producing breast milk, and continuing with normal daily routines, whether at work or home, show how nifty technology can actually be useful to everyday people. Self-driving cars in actual use. Self-driving vehicles have long been in development and have been theorized on and written about, but will the day come when people will actually use them? The answer is yes. In fact, some of the public have already started to be driven around by self-driving vehicles. There are some pilot programs using fully automated driving vehicles which have already rolled in the United States. Google's self-driving car brand, now called Waymo, introduced Chrysler Pacifica hybrid minivans that are self-driving this year. An initial pilot group of families, including about 500 individuals, was launched in Phoenix, Arizona. Yes, that means some self-driving cars are being legally used in some locations in the US already. As self-driving cars become more commercialized and more locales allow for pilot programs, testing, and general usage, expect to see more of these vehicle types expanding around the country. Computers learning from interaction, not just programming. For the most part, computers and the concept of artificial intelligence has been mostly static. That is, computers are programmed and then sent out for use in the world based on whatever information its developers have already put into it. On occasion, an update is released. What if computers were able to learn even after they were released? Increasingly, new types of technology are starting to analyze what goes on around them when they are released from the world, analyzing the results and improving upon their process.